Hi, friends. Welcome to Crash Course Catholicism and welcome to our new studio setup. So, for those of you who are already listeners, you know that this is a podcast about Catholic teaching and why it makes sense. And I'm very excited to announce that we are introducing a new element into the podcast, which is these video episodes. So, these videos are going to be a little bit shorter than the audio episodes. They're going to be somewhere between 5 and 15 minutes long. And the plan with these videos is that we're going to go all the way back to the beginnings where we started this podcast, i.e., with the catechism. So, we're going to go right back to those first episodes on those fundamental questions of faith and the existence of God and Jesus, salvation, Mary, morality, and the Catholic Church. And we're going to go to those first episodes and break them down into smaller chunks of 5 to 15 minutes and record them, refine them, and record them as videos. So, the aim with creating this new material is basically to provide a supplementary resource. So, for example, if you are doing RCIA and you have a specific question that you want answered, or perhaps if you're giving a catechism or RCIA class, this can be a helpful resource to help you kind of answer questions or explain fundamental points of doctrine. So I'm really excited to go back and revisit that initial material because it's been 5 years since we started the podcast, 5 years since I recorded those episodes. And in that time, I feel like my own knowledge of Catholic teaching has only deepened and gotten richer. And I am more in love than ever with the Catholic Church and with the beauty of her teaching. So I can't wait to go back and revisit that material. So, the way it's going to work is that our audio episodes, those fortnightly 30-minute episodes, they're going to continue being released every 2 weeks. And then slowly over time, we're going to start incorporating video episodes in parallel alongside the audio. Hopefully, we'll be able to do that with increasing frequency. Now, I want to take the opportunity at this point to say thank you to the people who have supported the podcast over the last 5 years, whether that's through subscribing, listening, praying, sharing, providing financial support. And speaking of financial support, I especially want to thank our patrons on Patreon because this next step has literally only been possible because of you and because of the support you have provided. Now, the more support we have through Patreon, the more time and energy we can devote to this project and the more videos we can make, which means the more content you get. So currently, I split my time between part-time work as a university lecturer and then part-time podcasting. But I really love to turn podcasting and speaking into my full-time focus. So, if you are someone who is a new listener, or if you're a regular listener and you've thought about supporting the podcast before, now is a fantastic time to do that. If you want to see this work continue and even grow, then you can support us through Patreon and PayPal. And there are links to both in the show notes below. Awesome. Thank you so much for listening or watching. And I cannot wait to talk to you again soon. Have a great day. Okay, bye.